dear, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making this beautiful hair vine for this beautiful model I have here. This video is a requested one from one of my subscribers. I would have used my own hair, but the comb will not work in my braids. That is why I am using my favorite model, and so I will leave the list of the materials in the description box. Kindly familiarize yourself with each one of them, create your own and share. This Christmas I know is going to be special, and I have named this Christmas a DIY Christmas, because we are going to be making everything for Christmas ourselves, including our hair vine. And so, my dear, let's go into the lesson to know how I created this beautiful hair vine, so you can also create one for yourself, your family, and your prospective customers. Let's go. To make this, you will need a wire, and I am using 0.3 mm. I bought one which was 0.6 and it was too thick. I will recommend 0.3 or 0.4 mm. This one I bought it at 25 cedis, and they have something like this going for I think 10 cedis or so. Then you will need a comb. So I'll be using the sand beads together with the pearls, and for tools I would need a plier and a scissors. So to start with, I am going to measure and cut 65 centimeters of the wire. With the wire, I am going to start with 3 beads. You can start with any number depending on how big or small you want it. I'll push them to the center. Then I will twist it 9 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you open it. This one is 3, so I'll pick 4 beads with one of the lines. Then you push it together and you twist it 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. You should have something like this. Then you twist the 2 branches 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to pick 5 beads. So as you go down, you increase the number of beads you pick by 1. And again, you fold and twist 5 times. 3, 4, 5. So you've made another branch. Then you twist them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you come to this side, you pick 6 beads. Four, 5. With this one, I'll pick 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am going to continue with the rest. It is not difficult, it is very easy. To have command over it, you need to practice constantly. I am done. I made 4 of these, 4 of these, and 4 of these. So we are coming to put them together by picking one each of them. this, then you twist them together. You can make it 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, depending on how voluminous you want it to be. So when you put the first 3 together, then you add the rest one after the other. So I'll add the gold first and twist. Then I'll put on this one and again twist. Then I'll finally add this one. So one half is ready. I'll repeat the same thing with the other half. So when you are done, you put them together like this. Then you cut some of the wire and fasten them together. So you have something like this. The wire I would recommend 0.4. I think the 0.4 would work better than this one. So you join the two by putting the flower on the comb. Then you pass the wire through the holes in the comb onto the flower through a hole. So that is how you are going to go about it. When you are doing it, you have to remember this. So you are going to wrap it around this one, the leftover, is it the branch? Yeah. So you are wrapping it around this one like this, but you have to do it severally in order to pin it down. With this, I will go over it again. So I'm going to go anti-clockwise, and this one I will cut it off. So the line is short now. This is how I'm going to add a new one to it. I am done with this side. I am going to repeat the same thing here. Chikameka Chukwu Nele Yesu Boko Mawana Nyana Uno Alesiwa Nyona. Our project is not difficult. So in order to cover the rough work here, we are going to put these crystals there. So I have brought the line to the middle. So I'm picking 3 beads. Then I'll put them through like this. And I'll pick another 3. So I'm going to be picking 3 beads to fill the space there. So this is it. And before I cut, I am going to pass the wire through some of the pearls and cut. I don't want it here, I prefer it up here. So this is how I'm going about it. Then I would cut it. So if you want it condensed, if you want it packed, if you want it compact, you have to make the leaves more. You have to make more of these. But for the purpose of this lesson, this is what I want to make. Just look at it. Is it not beautiful? Ow, ow. Look at my beautiful model. Auntie Ayoko. Look at how beautiful she looks. Yeah. Just look at it. Is it not beautiful? Ow. It's so beautiful. Thanks for watching from the beginning up to this time. I appreciate your love and support. I know you are going to share and share it out. I am so grateful. Thank you. And to the person who requested, yeah, the video is out. If you have any other thing that you would want me to share with you, kindly drop that in the comment section. And like I have been saying, I have many videos lined up, but because I don't want to publish new videos every day, I am taking my time to release them to you one after the other. Until I come your way with another video, continue to stay safe, love life, and whenever you say a prayer, my dear, don't forget to say one for me. I leave you with the peace and the mercies of the Most High. Peace, respond, shalom. Bye-bye.